A safety filter keyed to scary words blocks bath bomb and misses a threat written in polite words. The words are the wrong signal. HaloGuard fixes that in the training data. Train a guard on a pile of unsafe prompts and it learns the surface. It keys on the words and topics that happen to match the label. Reword the attack, and it slips through. Here is the catch. The same words show up on both sides of the line. So how do you make the model ignore the wording and read the intent? You change the data. HaloGuard builds matched pairs. Two prompts with almost identical wording, but one is safe and one is not. The surface is the same on both sides, so the only thing left to learn is intent. A written constitution of 46 policies labels them, across 46 languages. Because the data teaches intent, not keywords, the small 0.8 billion model reaches an F1 of 90.9. That is close to the 4 billion version at a fraction of the size.